Hey everybody, so in the last video we used the app within Canva and it was called TextAnwhere. I was able to say that I wanted it to put happy birthday Lauren and I wanted it to be on a vanilla sprinkled cake. This was the image I ended up getting. So now I want to see how can we use this image. I did save it without a background and I have it here in my uploads. Um, but we just want to maybe have birthday cards and let's pick this one. Okay, now I have it here saved because you need to have it without a background, okay, wherever you want to use it. So now that's really good. Maybe now we want to edit the image and see if there's any other color that might look just a little bit better with that cake. And you can certainly play around. You can get rid of things if you don't really like them, or you can add them. But anyways, I think that looks good. But if I was just going to send an e-card or I wanted to print a birthday card, anything like that, I could do that here. And it's just a great way to add a personalized touch.